That's a tough one.
What the hell is this? Welcome once again to Ant Dec versus the YouTubers, where we take on the YouTubers at their own game and hopefully win.
Hopefully, we do try. Today we've been joined by Josh and Mikey, who've got another challenge in their back pockets for us.
What's basically going to happen is we are going to pick out sounds and sound effects out of the box and then try and do them to each other, and our partner has to guess the sound effect that we are doing.
It's nicely explained.
That's good,
Josh.
Thank you.
First take, too.
He's coming for you, boys.
So you're going to go first?
Yeah, go
Okay,
ahead.
you've got 30 seconds on the
So
egg
you're doing
timer.
the sound effect.
Do you want me to do the sound effects first?
Yeah,
Ready? Go.
Train, steam train, stream train, steam train. What are you twirling your hat? Oh, a windmill, aeroplane. What are you doing? These are plane, helicopter. Oh yes, we knew it. It was that. It was that.
We might count this in the bag.
That wasn't a great one, Josh. Sorry? Oh, it's a boomerang. It's a boomerang. It's a boomerang. It's a boomerang.
Oh, his time's up.
Oh, is that
no, that was it.
Yeah.
Was that
How do you get a
30
sound effect
Sorry.
of a boomerang? What's
That's
a boomerang? Yeah.
You got it, though.
Yeah,
You got it.
yeah, we got it.
But I think it was like the actions were quite good.
I mean, we give you that for helicopter. Helicopter's probably the best thing to sound it for.
That sounded more like a steam train.
You
It
guys
did
got,
sound like a steam train.
you guys got to pick who you went up against for this, didn't you? Because Mikey is like the worst at this kind of stuff on YouTube. 100%.
No. There's been times when I haven't performed in certain videos, but no, not bad. Yeah, today is one of those times.
Okay, then, Jack, it's down to you
Our
now.
turn, you take that.
Yeah.
Go on, Josh.
I'm going to do the sound effects.
Count them in, Mikey.
3, 2, 1.
Coffee pot, frothing coffee, frothing milk, pouring.
That's a tough one.
What the hell is this?
Very good at that.
Yes, it's a cool.
Coffee, tea, hot coffee, milk, froth latte. What? What's this? What the hell? It's a kettle! A kettle!
It's boiling!
Wow!
What about the classic?
Yeah, exactly. That's what I would have done. A whistling kettle.
Oh yeah, I never thought of that.
Pressing the clicker on the bottom of the kettle.
That's a very old-fashioned kettle.
Well, I would have
What
got
kind
it.
of kettle have you
I
got?
would have got it.
You just put it in, but it...
Well, that could be anything. Click. You could be setting the video.
Yes.
You could have been just putting the lamp switch
But
on.
you click it, and then when it's followed by...
No, I mean, what's that?
That's the water boiling?
Is it really? Right. Wow.
You got a replay there. You had some very impressive tongue movements.
Yeah, it was.
That was rapid fire.
Okay then, right, Maggie.
Right, so you're 2-0 up.
Reach around you.
I just hold the box, maybe.
Oh no, don't do that because it's got alphabet challenge on the other side. So take it there. So you're 2-0 up at the halfway
Starting
stage. Ready?
Yes.
All right, get your first sound and we'll start the time in 3, 2, 1.
Wind.
Oh, yes, right one. Right, take that.
What? Wind?
It was a very good wind sound.
That was good.
Oh my god, sorry, I can't even get it out. Okay. Oh, this is going to be very close. No, oh god.
Dog?
No. It's
A fat person walking.
sorry, no.
That's time up!
Trumpet.
Trombone, yes.
Yeah.
See, come on. I'm pulling the thing.
I thought it was way too abstract for it. I thought you understood it. Yeah, that was actually pretty good.
That was a good sound.
That was very good.
I don't know about
We're
that.
gonna get one. We're gonna get one.
Right
then.
then.
Get one.
Here we go.
So 3-0
3-0.
up.
Okay.
It's all still to play for one. We can do
Yeah.
this.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Baby crying.
Yes.
Oh, good.
Car horn.
Yes.
Easy.
Kettle boiling.
No.
Coffee. Champagne. Popcorn.
Yes, popcorn.
Popcorn popping.
Yes. We've done that one.
Squeaky door.
Yes. Yes.
You got that one.
Oh.
You got
Three
that.
then,
Yeah, you got that.
Four, haven't we?
Four, I think.
Four.
Good job, guys. It's me.
After all that effort, Josh, the trombone.
Stick it.
So we won.
We won it.
Thanks, guys.
Look how
Josh is preparing for his next go.
Idols, I'm a celeb. It's not that you've got it all, but you have to come over onto YouTube and take all that we've got.
Well, there you go. Well done.
Oh, we pulled it out of the bag.
Stop playing, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks very much to Josh and Mikey for coming along and giving us the game today. If you liked it, hit like and subscribe for more.